Major life update. So March 28th, I'm actually celebrating my 2nd year anniversary working at Outsourcing Angel. It's been 2 years! Parang kailan lang. Kaya naman naisipan ko for this video, let's do a company review. So, kilalang-kilala nyo naman ako. Ayoko talaga nang nagpapatumpik-tumpik pa. So, let's get started. Unahin na natin dun sa mga benefits na makukuha nyo if you work at Outsourcing Angel. I'm actually part of the marketing team, so I am the social media manager. So yes, lahat na nagre-reply sa inyo sa Outsourcing Angel pages, ako yung kausap nyo. Pero kunwari hindi ko sinabi kunwari secret lang. So, pag i-scan nyo yung website, yes, andyan po ako po yan. So, unahin na natin yung pinaka siguro curious kayong tanungin ako. Mimi Vic, magkano ba sahod mo sa OA? Magkano nga ba? So, to be transparent, guys, I'm not working full-time at OA. Bakit? Ayaw ba ng boss ko? Wala siyang pampasweldo sa akin? No. It's my preference, guys. Marami nang nagsabi sa akin, my coworkers, my manager, my boss, na if you want to work full-time, then you're welcome to work full-time anytime you want. Pero ako talaga nag-insist na, sorry, I only want to work 6 hours a day. I need more time to look after my son. My son is starting school soon. So, ako din maghahatid sundo ng anak ko. Ako mismo yung nag-set ng boundary na I can't commit to 8 hours or full-time. So, they're fine with it. So, basically, at Outsourcing Angel, I am a part-timer. So, yung sahod ko naglalaro sa 1,200 AUD. Pataas. Pataas. But, iba-iba, Mimi. Iba-iba. So, iba-iba kasi iba-iba yung araw ng month. So, ibang months, mas mahaba yung araw, mas madami akong sahod. Ibang months, mas konti. May mga bonuses din akong nire-redeem. May mga points akong na-accumulate. May point system kasi kami within the team na pwede mong i-redeem into cash na maidadagdag sa sahod mo. Hindi laging pare-pareho yung sahod ko. Pero what if Mimi Vic, papasok ako, gusto ko mag-apply, ano yung mga benefits na maaasahan ko? Meron akong listahan. First and foremost, ang pwede mong i-expect sa sahod mo is minimum 42,000. Depende pa yan kung magpo-full-time ka ba, magpo-part-time ka. Depende pa yan kung specialized ba yung role mo. For example, pag mga SEO or mga dedicated technical role, higher level role, mas tataas pa yan. You can also expect paid holiday, mga Australian holidays usually yung sinusunod namin. Meron din kaming mga Easter break and then holiday break. Of course, you're also entitled to sick leaves, paid sick leaves. Meron ka ding 10-day accrued annual paid leave credits. Hindi mo kailangang i-justify. Ikaw ang bahala. Hindi ka ka-questionin. Meron ding birthday paid off. And pag nag-anniversary ka, every year, may work anniversary bonus. Last year, papakita ko sa inyo magkano yung bonus na na-receive ko. O, diba? Magre-reklamo ka pa ba, girl? 10 years ako dito. Meron ding quarterly bonus incentive. Siyempre, magkakaroon ng quarterly performance review. Kung good job ka, above and beyond, then may bonus ulit. Another perk is, since Australian-based company ang Outsourcing Angel, kung alam nyo yung time zone ng Australia, 2 hours ahead lang sila sa atin. So, you can expect na yung working arrangements mo is also daytime, Mondays to Fridays, and you can have your weekends off. Actually, meron ding prepaid HMO. So, ito lang yung mga card na nabibili sa Lazada pang emergency purposes. Nagamit ko yung akin like recently, na ER ako dahil sa UTI. So, lahat ng magiging VA ng Outsourcing Angel are also entitled to prepaid HMO yearly. So, yun. Meron pa siguro akong mga nakalimutan. That's the gist. Like, if may more pa, then it's good, right? Let's get onto culture. Now, pag nag-work ka sa OA, ito yung company na makikilala mo yung CEO and the Australian management team. All of them are very approachable. Yung CEO namin, si Miss Lynn, she's always curious about kung sino yung mga baguhan. Siya talaga mag-a-approach sa'yo at makikipagkilala sa'yo. Kaya, hindi ka mai-intimidate at all. So, yun yung unang gusto ko. Like, mafe-feel mo talaga yung care nila, mga emergency. They will help you. They care about you as more than just an employee. So, part ng culture, meron kaming annual company trip. Last year, naka-attend ako. It was my first time. Nag-hangout kami sa Batangas City. And guys, super saya talaga. This year, 2024, actually, may plano na nag-start. Hindi ko alam kung dapat kong i-reveal dito sa video or not. Pero, kung makakapasok kayo before November, kung makakapag-apply kayo at matatanggap kayo sa Outsourcing Angel before November 2024, oo, makakasama kayo. Another part of culture is yung mga VAs, meron silang client feedback incentive. Pag positive yung feedback ng client, meron silang mga good reviews from the client, meron tong kaakibat na point na maiko-convert into cash na masasama dun sa payout mo sa scheduled payout. So, ano ba itong points na to? Ito yung angel points. So, hindi lang naman actually client feedback yung nagko-contribute sa angel points na to. Sometimes, for me, social media manager ako, diba? Hihingi ako ng mga reels. Sinong gustong magbigay ng reels dyan sa mga VAs natin? Merong kapalit na angel points yon. Pag nag-attend ka naman ng mga meetings, ganyan, na hindi ka naman required umattend, optional lang umattend, pero pumunta ka, oh, may angel points ka ulit. So, mag-accumulate yan monthly and mariredeem mo into actual money. So, kapag nag-extra effort ka, meron yang kapalit sa outsourcing angel, hindi lang puro thank you, thank you. So, overall insights ko at outsourcing angel, it's a very great company to work at. I'm already here for 2 years and wala akong balak na lumipat pa. It's not just about the pay kasi yung bond na na-form mo with your workmates, the culture, yung feeling of security habang nag-work ka doon, yung feeling na hindi ka nabu-burn out, may care sila sa'yo, and mapapatunayan yan ng mga ibang empleyado doon. Meron kaming mga senior staff doon na more than 10 years or 10 years na kay Miss Lynn na nag-work and andun pa rin sila, hindi sila lumilipat. It's a really nice partnership kasi makikita mo na si Miss Lynn, hindi siya nang iiwan habang umaakyat siya. Hinihila niya rin kayong lahat, hindi lang siya yung umaakyat. I can also see a lot of growth opportunities at OA. We have internal staff na dating VA. So, dun sila nagmamanage sila ng client. Tapos, napatunayan nila yung performance nila, ganyan. So, inabsorb ng management team sila sa internal team. So, hindi na sila client-facing. So, sa internal team, merong marketing, sales, virtual office management. Sila yung parang customer service namin, nakikipag-usap sa mga VA or clients pag may problema. Meron kaming recruitment team, and meron kaming systemize and scale-up team. So, ito yung mga gumagawa ng automations or nagsasuggest ng mga tools para maging mas better yung business ng mga clients namin. Kasi sometimes, it's not just enough na kukuha ka ng VAs. Kailangan mo ring i-improve yung mga tools mo, yung mga processes mo, SOPs, before ka makakuha ng VA. So, yun ang role ng Systemize and Scale Up team namin. So, marami kami, 20 plus kami sa internal team. Kung gusto nyo mag-apply, punta lang kayo dito, jobs.outsourcingangel.com. Andyan lahat ng requirements. Huwag kayong magbubook ng discovery call kasi para sa clients yun. Nakalagay din dyan kung day shift or night shift. Pag day shift, usually Australian clients yan. Pag night shift, usually mga US clients. Nakalagay din dyan kung ilang hours yung kailangan. So, full-time or part-time. Nandyan lahat ng details. So, punta muna kayo dyan before kayo magtanong. That's it for this video. I'm so happy to be part of the Outsourcing Angel team. Sa mga gustong mag-apply, good luck and I hope to meet you soon. So, yun. That's it. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye!